Have you ever looked at a drawing and thought, wow, I wish I could do that, but I just don't have the talent? I'm here to tell you that it's simply not true. Drawing is not some magical gift, it's a skill, like riding a bike or playing an instrument. And just like any other skill, it can be learned and mastered. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2015, while preparing for my engineering exams, I was getting pretty bored, and drawing had always been something I really enjoyed. So I picked up a pencil and tried sketching my own face. It wasn't exactly a masterpiece, but something clicked. I rediscovered a passion I always had. So I started practicing every day, and just after a month, I won first place in a sketching competition in my university. And that really motivated me. So I dedicated myself to perfecting and refining my skills. And this dedication has led me to become national sketching champion, a national record holder in hyperrealism, and a national gold medalist. But still, I think my greatest achievement is the community I've built of passionate artists and art lovers. My YouTube channel has connected with millions, inspiring them to pick up a pencil. And thousands of supporters fuel my work on Patreon. And right here on Udemy, over 10,000 and more students are learning and growing with me. But my biggest reward is not the awards or recognition. It's seeing other people discover the joy and the power of drawing. And that is why I created this complete drawing course. This course took almost 5 years to complete, and I did hundreds of revisions based on thousands of questions from students in my online communities. And now it's finally here to answer all of your burning questions and take you on a beautiful artistic journey. This world is constantly changing, and things that were once hard to learn are becoming easier day by day. So if you feel like your artistic spark has dimmed a little and you are ready to discover the artist inside you, I invite you to join me on this adventure. You will find step-by-step video lessons, downloadable resources, and a supportive community to guide you every step of the way. So enroll now and let's explore your artistic potential together.